how to trim videos in Microsoft Clipchamp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to trim your videos from Microsoft Clipchamp. So let's dive right in. Open up Microsoft Clipchamp and then you can just tap on the timeline and you can see borders at the end. So you can just drag it and then uh, like this you can trim the video. But if you want to split the video from middle, then just drag the white slider to the part where you want to split it and then right click and you can see split. Just tap on it and then go to the next part and then again right click, split. So you can see now the videos has been divided into three parts. Now just tap on the part that you want to remove and then right click and hit delete. So just drag the next video and there you go. It's as simple as that to trim your video in Microsoft Clipchamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.